Let us come to the next section. Use your brain power. Let us discuss some question and answers. Question. Write the molecular formulae of the compounds of the following elements with hydrogen by referring to the Mendeleev's periodic table. Children, you can have a periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table in front of you to go through how these formulae are made. If you will observe the Mendeleev periodic table, in the groups, he has given us the formula to be used. For example, group 1 R square O, group 2 RO, group 3 R square O cube, group 4 RH4 RO2 and so on. The general molecular formula of compounds shown as R square O cube in the upper part of the Mendeleev's periodic table are written as R2O, R2O3 in the present system. So, while considering Mendeleev's periodic table, we will consider it as a superscript. So, let us come to the question. We have to write here the molecular formula of the following given elements when they react with hydrogen. Let us start with first carbon. Carbon reacts with hydrogen to form CH4, that is methane. Second, sulfur. Sulfur reacts with hydrogen to form H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Here you will see that CH4 is RH4, whereas H2S is H2R or RH2, like that we can consider the formula. Next is bromine. Bromine reacts with hydrogen to form hydrogen bromide. Next, AS. Arsenic reacts with hydrogen to form ASH3, arsine. Fluorine reacts with hydrogen to form hydrofluoric acid or hydrogen fluoride. Oxygen reacts with hydrogen to form water, that is H2O. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form NH3, ammonia. And last, chlorine reacts with hydrogen to form HCl, hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. Here HBr, HF, HCl are the halogens. So, we have seen how the given element reacts with hydrogen to form different compounds. Let us move to the next question. Write the molecular formula of oxides of the following elements by referring to the Mendeleev's periodic table. Sodium, silicon, calcium, carbon, rubidium, phosphorus, barium, chlorine. And last, let us go with solution. The element sodium belongs to the group 1 of Mendeleev's periodic table. You can go with the Mendeleev's periodic table, children, in which the general formula of oxides of elements is R2O. So, formula of oxide of sodium is Na2O. Rb element also belongs to group 1. So, formula of oxide is Rb2O, that is rubidium oxide. Next, the element silicon belongs to group 4. Children, you can check in group 4 of the Mendeleev's periodic table. You will find there Si. The element silicon belongs to group 4 of Mendeleev's periodic table, in which the general formula is RO2. So, the formula for oxide of silicon is SiO2. Sn belongs to the same group, so the formula of its oxide is SnO2. C also belongs to same group, so the formula of oxide is CO2, carbon dioxide. Ca belongs to group 2 of Mendeleev's periodic table. The general formula of oxide is RO. Here R represents Ca. So the formula for oxide of Ca is CaO. Just replace R with Ca. Ba in the same way, replace R with Ba, belongs to this group. So the formula of oxide is BaO, that is barium oxide. CaO, calcium oxide, commonly known as quicklime. Phosphorus belongs to group 5. So general formula of oxide is R2O5. So formula of oxide is P2O5, that is phosphorus pentaoxide. Cl, that is chlorine, belongs to group 7, the group of halogen, with general formula R2O7. If we replace R with Cl, the formula of the oxide becomes Cl2O7, that is chlorine oxide or dichlorine heptaxoid.